How to add friends on Monopoly Go app. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add friends on Monopoly Go app. For this, launch the Monopoly Go app. Now right here on the home screen, tap on Friends at the bottom right corner. Now here you will see two options, Contacts and Invite. Tap on Contacts. Now here tap on Add Contacts. Now enter the phone number right here and tap on Continue. And from there you can select the friends who already play to add them directly. The next thing you can do is go to Friends and tap on Invite. Okay, once you tap on Invite, and you can send the invitation link to your friends from here. You can also invite friends from your Facebook. Tap on this invite on Facebook and tap on open to open your messenger, and you can send link to your friends from there. And that's it. That's how you add friends on Monopoly Go. Fast, social and totally rewarding. If this video was helpful for you, hit like, subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching.